getting a connection is not secure error in Google Chrome, I'll show you how to fix it quickly and get back to browsing without interruptions. Start by opening Google Chrome and clicking the three dots in the top right corner of the window to open the menu. From the drop-down, click on Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, look to the left sidebar and select Privacy and Security. Now on the right side, scroll down a bit and click on the section labeled Security. Scroll down again until you see a setting called Always Use Secure Connections. This setting can sometimes block websites that don't meet Chrome's current security standards. To fix the issue, turn this option off by clicking the toggle button. Now go back to the website you were trying to open and refresh the page. With that setting turned off, the site should now load without showing the warning. And that's how you fix the "connection is not secure" message in Chrome. It's simple and takes just a minute. If this helped you out, give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.